So the history of the workability starts very early, some 1980s. We became a difficult question to answer, and the question was, how long can people work? What is the right retirement age? And we recognize that there is no studies about it. So there's no scientific proof how long we can work. In those days, we were also talking all the time with work disability rates because people left work very early. And therefore, we wanted to measure the positive side, so-called workability. How able are people to work as long as possible? And therefore, we created the workability concept. It was a quite interesting, first time in the whole world, scientific group was doing work in workability issues. And that was the start. And I think one result of that was the concept, which is still today valid, and also the method, how to measure the workability. Finland has one of the oldest workforce in the whole world because of the rather large baby boom generations, relative taken. So therefore it was quite easy to estimate when these big baby boom cohorts will retire. So therefore the society was very interested to be aware of that and how to be sure that they are not retiring too early. And therefore there was quite important societal interest on that. And therefore I think we were able to develop methods and validate them. And I think one of the most interesting findings was that the workability of people was declining with age, not improving. When you think that people are more experienced, they should be better working when they are older. But it was the opposite. So it was declining. And therefore our social partners get interested on that and said that, okay, that's a very risky issue if that's a downward way when you are getting older. And therefore the social partners, employer side and the employee side, they decided, okay, based on these longitudinal research, we have to do something to change the trend and improve the workability in all age groups. And I think that was a very nice example that the scientific work went to the level of political decision. And because of this agreement between social partners, then we were able to implement the workability index very nicely in a Finnish society.